Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload images in multiple resolution on Instagram. So using this method you can upload the images or videos together in different resolution or in totally different ratios. Coming up. Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. Earlier I made a video showing you how you can upload images in full resolution on Instagram, and if you have not watched that video, please do watch that video because that would help you get started how you can upload multiple images on Instagram properly in full resolution. But in this video I will show you how you can upload the different images which have the different resolution or different ratio in full resolution on Instagram, so that you don't have to just pick the first resolution or the ratio of the first image and the rest of the images would be cropped accordingly. But in this method Instagram will not crop your images or the rest of the images or videos based on the first image ratio, based on the ratio of the first image. So if you want to know that, please do watch this video carefully till the end. And before we go any further, please hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'll show you what we are going to upload in this video or for this tutorial. So you can see this is my image and this is the second image, this is the before image, and this is let me show you. Alright, so this is the another image. It has the 4:5 ratio, and this is in the total 16:9 ratio, and this one has totally different ratio, and this one is also has the different ratio or resolution, and this one has the different resolution, and they have the same 4:5 ratio. Okay, and besides this I'm going to upload one video as well, and this video is also in a vertical format. You can see this is the video. So this is actually this is in the 4:5 ratio. So we are going to upload all of these together, and it would be at carousel. So one would be the video and the rest would be the images, and these all have the different resolution, or some have the different same resolution and some have the different ratio. So in order to do this, what you have to do, you have to first go to the website which is called the Facebook Creator Studio, and if you Google it you will find it. Otherwise the link of that is in the description section below. Go ahead, click that and just sign it over here with the help of this option. This is called the Facebook login. Just click on the Facebook login and that would take you to this page, and over here you have to just enter your Facebook information, and then you just need to click login. And if you don't have the Facebook account, just create a new account and do this. So it's all simple. And once you do this, what you have to do, you will see this kind of a screen. It's going to ask you which account you want to have the access to. So you will see this kind of option over here on the Creator Studio dashboard. You will see this kind of all of your posts which you have already posted on Instagram. So it shows all the content, it shows the videos, and then we have the photos, carousels, stories, IGTV. So everything is right over here. You can manage from here itself, and this option allows you to upload the images right from your PC to the Instagram. All right, so in order to upload these images which have the different ratio or different resolution in full resolution without cropping, what you have to do, you have to just click on the create post and click on the option Instagram feed, and if you want to upload just the video, just select the IGTV video. So you can upload the videos to the IGTV as well right from this Creator Studio app. So we'll choose the Instagram feed, and then if you have multiple accounts, it's going to show you that on which account you want to upload. So in this case I will select this Harshvardhan Art. And if you have not followed me on Instagram, please do follow me. My ID is @Harshvardhan Art. Alright, so over here you have to just write your caption. So here we can write the caption, we can add the location, and we can add the content. So in this case, I'll show you first how you can add the content. Just click on this button, add content, and then it will show you two options. One is from file upload, or you can choose from Facebook page, but we want to upload right from our desktop. So we'll choose the file upload, and that would open up this option. So over here, I would first select the videos, or first I would select the images which I want to upload. So make sure you select the image in such order in which you want it to, otherwise you have to just adjust it later on. So let me select first image, then select image. By pressing Ctrl or Command, you can just select it accordingly, and I would select all these images, and I would click on the open, and that content would be available over here. But you can see I have added all of these, but I don't have any option right now over here to add one more video which I want to upload. So for this purpose, I will click on this add content, and from again you will see this option from file upload, and I would browse that video, and I will click and upload. So it shows you video must be 3 to 60 seconds long with aspect ratio 4:5 or 16:9. So here it's not allowing me to upload the video, so let me choose another one. So let's say this one. Alright, so it's not allowing me somehow, I don't know. I think this video is little lengthier than the 60-second time frame. Yes, it's 1 minute and 6 seconds, so I won't be able to upload it. Alright, so let me just get back to this once. I'll just trim this out. Alright, so now I will click on this add content, and from file upload, I have already just trimmed down these videos. So I'll just select this one, and I will just click open, and you can see it has been added right over here. This is the video, so you can see. And if you want to arrange these orders, their order, so just select the image. Alright, so this is the first image I want to put, let's say, okay, this one. So it's at the moment it's on the 5th number. You can see the number 5 over here. I'll just press 1, and boom, this would be on my first image, or this would be the first image of the feed. And then I will choose this second image, so I'll type second over here, press enter, so that would be the second. And then I will choose the third one, so let's go for this one, 3, and press enter. So now this would be the third, and then I will choose the fourth one from here, so that would be the fourth one. And then I will choose this one, 5, so that would be the 5th. And then this would be the 6th, so I'll type 6, press enter, so that would be 6th, and that would be 7, and in the 8th, this is the video. Alright, so now if you want to just have them, or want to have them in the same ratio, you can just select this, and there is an option of crop over here. So you can click on the crop, and you can choose square, landscape, or vertical. So right from here you can just crop it if you want. But if you want to upload these in different aspect ratio, or different resolution, or in ratio, you don't have to do anything. Just don't do anything. Just write your caption over here, and just write your caption, add the location, and if you want to tag someone, you can tag it right from here. So what I would do, I'll just do this, and then I would come back. Okay, so you can see that I have added all the captions right over here, and added the location, and if I want, I can just tag someone from here. And over here you have the option of cover image for your video, so you can select the cover image from your video. You can pick one from these auto-generated images from your videos, or you can just add an image, or you can custom upload your videos or video thumbnail if you have already created one. So I'll just select this one, okay, and thereafter You can choose the custom upload if you want to, but I would not go. I would select this one right from here, and thereafter you have the option of publishing it, or you can just schedule it later on, or you can even save it as a draft. But I would just publish it right now, and I would click on the publish. So it's going to take some time, and then it's going to show you the notification that your videos or your post is uploaded on Instagram. So now if we go back to the Instagram, let's see if it is available over here or not. I think it's not yet uploaded. Let's wait for a while and see. Alright, so now you will see this notification over here that it has been published. So you can click over here and it would show you the stats of your post performance as well, how many likes, comments or saves or discovery and everything as it is right from here. And if you go back to the Instagram and refresh it, so you will see this post is now over here. So let me show you. If I click over here, so you can see this is in this resolution. Second one is before image. This is also has the 4:5 ratio, and this one has the 16:9 ratio. So you can see now this is fully visible, and then it also has the 16:9, and then this one has the different resolution or the ratio, you can see, and the second one has the same one, and then this one has the 4:5 ratio, and this is the video. So this is again in 4:5 ratio. So this is how you can easily just upload images in multiple ratio or multiple resolution in full resolution without Instagram cropping you based on the first image or on the first video. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you have not followed me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. My ID is Harshvardhan Art. So I keep on posting very useful stuffs over here. And don't forget to check out my reels and Instagram as well, because I post multiple useful tutorials over there as well. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.